In this video, we'll be going over the mandible and the hyoid bone. The mandible is a fancy term for jawbone. So here we have a model of the mandible. This area where the teeth connect is the alveolar process of the mandible. It has a pair on the maxilla bone where the teeth connect to that bone. This whole frontal area of the bone is called the body of the mandible. This line in the middle here is the mandibular symphysis. These two holes are called the mental foramen. Moving posteriorly, this rectangular region is called the ramus of the mandible. This curved bottom edge here is called the angle of the mandible. This indent is called the mandibular notch. These two spines are called processes. This anterior one is called the coronoid process, and the posterior one is called the condylar process. One way to remember this order is that you have to eat your corn before your candy. So again, we have the coronoid process in the front, and then the condylar process in the back. This upper portion of the condylar process is called the mandibular condyle, which will articulate with the mandibular fossa on the skull. On the inside of the mandible, we find the mandibular foramen here and here. This small bone is the hyoid bone. This bone is the only free-floating bone in the body and is found below the mandible and anterior to the spine, as shown here. This bone helps us speak and swallow. You will not need to know any additional structures for this bone.